Hi guys, Mrs. Soltis here. There seems to be some confusion on how to make the bar graphs or the pie charts in your stats course. So really looking at lesson 1.02 here. A couple of you have asked me, how can you send me these graphs? Because when you create them, you can't copy and paste them into the section. So what you can do is create them in the Word file, and then you can put right here that you sent Mrs. Soltis an email. And then you can send me the answers in an email. Okay, so here's how you would do it if you want to do it in Word. First thing you got to do is open the Word document, make a new one, so File, New, Blank Document, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create a chart. So if you go into Insert, you will see Chart right here. So first thing we want to do is make a bar graph. So click on the column one and hit OK. So all these numbers will pop up. So what we have to do is tell the system what numbers we want to put in. So if you go back to your assignment, what you can do is just copy and paste these right here. I think this is a mistake right here too. It should be 30.1%. So then go back into Word, and you can just do copy, paste, and then what I'll do is I'll delete these two because I don't need these. And since this is a mistake right here, I'm going to make that percent because it's going to throw off my data. Okay, so now it automatically put in all my numbers. So next thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I label everything. So I'm going to change the series here to marital status. If you plan on taking the AP test, you got to make sure that your graphs are always labeled. Close out of here. Whoops. And then, so I have it labeled over here, but I don't have anything labeled over here. So what I can do now is click this little plus sign, and I can go to the axis titles, and it will allow me to write whatever I want right here. So I'm going to delete this out. So this would be the percent, and over here is your marital status. Then the other thing I would want to do is I would want to put the exact numbers right here. That way anyone who's looking at this graph can really figure out what those numbers are if they want to compare. So again, if you click on the little plus sign right here, you can do right here, data labels. Click on that and it will actually write in what the percents are. So there's your bar graph. So now to make a pie chart, same idea, we're going to go back to Insert. You're going to go to Chart, but now you're going to click on Pie. Okay. And then again, let's copy and paste what we have. Make sure you turn this to percent. Change this to marital status. And then there's my pie chart. So the only thing that I'm missing here is I would want to put in those exact percents. So again, if I click on it and hit the plus sign, I can hit the labels, and there you go. There's your pie chart. So then what I would do is I would just copy and paste these, or I would save the file and send me an email. Please make sure you send me an email to jennifersoltis@susd.org. If you send it to jsoltis, it's going to go to a different Jennifer Soltis. That's not me. Okay, so let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks. Bye.